Just an introduction here then, guys, for our life cycle. In a nutshell, this is all the inputs and amendments we put into the Eco-Life soil, but just without the base mix. So this is either used to improve the quality of any soil you may have, or if you wanted to maybe continue to use Eco-Life, or if you wanted to maybe improve a cocoa blend or something like that. As you can see, it is just a dry mix. It comes in a tub. The simplest way to use it therefore is just literally to dust it straight onto the soil. For a 15-gallon pot or a 56-litre pot, we would normally recommend about 2 or 3 tablespoons at the end of each cycle. However, there's no harm doing that just before you go into flower as a sort of an additional booster, or just to make sure things are covered if you have any concerns. So what is in this then? Like we said, all the same inputs: kelp, neem, gypsum, frass, rock dusts, all those good things that will just break down slowly and become part of your soil over time to allow you to continue to grow over and over and over again. So our life cycle amendment kit is exactly what it says. It's an amendment kit to amend your soil and feed your soil. It's bursting with biology. It contains all the nutrition and all the trace minerals your plant could require. It's really easy to use and apply. It's cost effective, and we don't think you can grow better plants without it.